Good afternoon, everyone. So, before we start our discussion, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Kirtini. My metric number is D2024113614.
My name is Harshakan Chandrasekharan. My metric number is D202411135553.
My name is Tilakavadi Silvaraju. My metri number is D202411135568.
My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Badu. My metric number is D2024111237.
My name is Muhammad Shakir Daniel bin Midraiza. My metric number is D2024114083.
Okay, thank you, everyone. So, now we will be starting our discussion on how one's health can be improved. As we know, health is a state of physical, mental, and social vitality. So today, we are going to explore on how health can be improved through a total pillar approach. So let's start with our discussion.
Okay, I'd like to start the discussion, this discussion, which is I would start with my point, which is diet. For me, diet is a vital thing to improve our health. Okay. For support this point, I will ask for support this idea. I would like to suggest 3 points, which is balanced diet, reducing junk food intake, and stay hydrated. Okay. First of all, I want to talk about balanced diet. Balanced diet is essential for improving health, especially for university students who need energy to focus in their study life. A balanced diet means eating a right proportion of carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, and minerals to support the body function. When students eat proper meals, their concentration improved. They feel less tired, uh, and their immune body system will be stronger. For example, instead of skipping meals or eating instant noodles every day, students can choose with student can choose rice with vegetables and protein like eggs, fish, chickens, or tofu, which provide long-lasting energy for a study session. In conclusion, for this point, maintaining a balanced diet helps students stay physically healthy and mentally alert. So my second point is reducing intake. Uh, uh, Reducing the intake of junk food is another important way to improve our health. Many university students it's very cheap and easily available, but excessive consumption of oily and sugary food can cause weight gain and some health problem. Uh, Over time, this habit can also affect mood and productivity. Uh, Therefore, cutting down on junk food helps students develop their eating habits to prevent future health issues. Okay, my last point is stay hydrated. Uh, do you guys all know what about is staying hydrated, which is drinking a lot of water. Staying properly hydrated is important, a part of healthy diet that is often overlooked by university students. Drinking enough water helps our body function well, improves concentration, and prevent fatigue, especially during long lectures and study sessions. Many students prefer sugary drinks or coffee, but this can lead to dehydration and energy crashes. For example, a student who drinks enough water throughout the day is more likely to feel refreshed and focused during class compared to someone who rely on the caffeine drinks. In conclusion, sufficient water daily is simple yet effective way to improve our health and academic performance. That's all for me.
Thank you, Haris. I agree that have a good diet is good for healthy. But for me, uh, getting enough rest is the most important for our health. In our daily life, many people are busy with works, studies, and using their phone until at night. Because of that, they not get enough rest. However, getting enough rest is very important for both our body and mind. When we get enough sleep, our body has time to recover and repair itself. Our muscle can relax and our immune system becomes stronger. This helps us to avoid sickness and stay healthy. People who do not get enough rest often feel tired, weak, and get sick easily. Besides that, enough rest also improve our mental health. Uh, for example, when we sleep well, our mind become fresh and clear. We can focus better in class or at work. Also, we can think more clearly. This helps us make better decisions and manage stress more effectively. Moreover, enough rest improve our mood and emotion. People who get enough sleep feel happier and more positive. They are less likely to feel angry, stressed, or depressed. This also helps us maintain good relationship with family and friends. In conclusion, getting enough rest is very important for a healthy life. It helps improve our physical health, mental health, and emotional well-being. That's all from me.
Right, thank you, Muhammad Haris. I agree with your opinion about enough rest, but I have my opinion about exercise. I believe exercise is the most effective way to improve our health. Okay, like our health. Okay, and then it is because when you exercise, the benefit you get the boost to the body and the mind. Okay, when you do a regular physical activity, it will strengthen the heart and improve lung function and also help maintain a healthy weight. Okay, from the exercise, it also boosts our mental health. When we exercise, our body release endorphin, which is make us feel happier and reduce stress. And this way is a natural way to fight anxiety and depression. For me, exercise don't does not have to be intense. You can do a simple activity like walking, cycling, or dancing. It will make a big difference. So, Malaysian can start by making a small change, like taking the step or join community sport. Before this, we got the opinion about the diet and rest. But for me, exercise when you exercise actively, it will improve our physical condition. It increase energy level, improve sleep quality, and even boost our immune system. It's a complete package. So that's all from me about exercise. So what you guys' opinion?
Okay, I totally agree with your point, and exercise is also very important for a healthy lifestyle. But even though I have my main own point, which is I think management stress is more important to lead a healthy lifestyle among the Malaysians. So, I would like to start my point with what is stress. Stress is the body's and natural response to pressure or demands, causing physical and emotional tension with symptoms like headaches, fatigue, irritability, and also difficulty concentrating when we was suffering in work pressure, or it can be either struggling with our own family, financial, or also in some kind of relationships. So, in that case, I think the points that elaborated by my friends, which is balancing the diet and also getting enough sleep and also exercises, also play the important role and becomes a factor to keep the stress management in a good level. So I'm going to start my point with practice regular physical activity, which is similar to exercise. Okay, exercising like walking, yoga, dancing, or sports, it can be also release endorphin, as my friend said, and it can be improve mood and also reduce the stress naturally. And apart from that, maintaining a balanced diet also, such as like eating nutritious food, helps to regulate hormones and also energy levels. And it also avoid to excess caffeine and also junk food, as they can increase the anxiety. After that, we can get enough sleep, which is can lead to a proper sleep allows the body and also mind to recover. So lack of sleep increases irritability. Lack of sleep increases the, how to say, like they cannot manage their emotional. And apart from that, a human that they needed to balance their stress management, they also have to clever in manage their time effectively. For an example, they need to plan their daily tasks and then setting their priorities and also avoiding procrastination, reduce pressure and also the last minute stress. And after that, they need to maintain a positive thinking level, which is replacing their negative thoughts with positive or realistic thinking, improve their emotional balance. And lastly, I think for those the people that cannot really handle their stress management, they can seek for professional help when needed. Like if stress becomes overwhelming, seeking help from counselors or mental health professional, it can be also becomes a sign of strength and not a weakness. So I think managing the stress is much more important for a healthy lifestyle, and it becomes like one of the most how to say, it becomes the most the the more the humans are becoming the stress, the more the healthy lifestyle is getting worse. So this is my point. So what do you guys think about it?
Yes, I do agree with your point, Tilaka, that managing stress is also important. And I also have my own point to talk about when it comes to taking care of our health. So another way is regular checkups. Okay, regular checkups is something compulsory and should be done every month. Okay, there are many life-threatening conditions that are happening in our country, such as hypertension and high cholesterol, and they doesn't have any symptoms. And if they are left untreated, it can also lead to serious conditions such as heart disease, like heart attack, and they are also known as silent killers. So, for this, regular checkups is something important to know whether are we having that type of conditions in our body. And the next thing I would like to talk about is vaccinations. Okay, you all know what is vaccinations because we have gone through COVID-19 pandemic where vaccination was compulsory for children, adults, and elders. And we know the vaccination that we vaccinated was Pfizer. Okay, so it was given to boost the white blood cell and immune system in our body to fight against COVID-19 virus. So it doesn't only helps to prevent, but also helps to reduce the long-term COVID-19. So the next thing is foster the doctor-patient relationships because regular visits could also help to provide and make easier to discuss sensitive topics such as mental health.
Thank you, Gitani. I agree with your point, which is regular health checkups are important because They help to detect a health problem early. For university students, this prevents small issues from becoming serious, affecting studies. Overall, regular checkups help us to stay healthy and stress-free.
Okay. So we are at the end of our discussion. So, which one do you all think will be the best way to for our health? You guys have any ideas?
Yes, I do have. I think management stress is much more important to keep the healthy lifestyle. Okay, from my opinion, managing stress is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle because stress it affects both physical and mental well-being. When stress is like properly managed, it can also improve concentration, emotional balance, sleep quality, and also the overall health. So effective stress management practices such as like exercise, healthy eating, relaxation techniques, and also good time management. And it also can keep the individual stay calm, confident, and also productive in daily life. So moreover, unmanaged stress can lead to serious health problems such as like anxiety, depression, high blood pressure, and also a weakened immunity. So by identifying the stresses earlier and also adopting a healthy coping stress strategies, and it also can make the individuals can prevent a long-term health issues and also improve their quality of the life. So therefore managing stress is a uh, it's not a luxury but it's a necessity, so it can also promote the inner peace and also a healthy lifestyle. So what do you guys think about this point?
I agree with the managing stress is very important for our health. In our daily life, we face many challenges such as work, studies, and personal problems. If stress is not managed well, it can affect our health and daily activities. That's all from me.
So for me, in my opinion, I agree with Tilaga. When you reduce your stress, you can reduce anything. You can reduce not reduce. Sorry, you can improve your mental health because this day many people want to end their life because of stress. Like we look at the newspaper like that, we know that people were stressed. So by managing the stress, it will reduce that kind of situation. So I agree with your opinion. Like,
Okay, I also agree with all of you guys. With this managing stress. For me, managing stress is the best way because as a university student, uh, we are handling the academic pressure. So managing stress is also very important to uh, to to prevent the upcoming struggles. So, uh, yeah, I think managing stress is the best way.
Okay, so I do agree with Tilaka's point that managing stress will be the best way because we teachers we will be also going to schools and we will be looking after students who are they will be facing especially stress in through academic pressure, too much of assignments, family problems, and everything. So managing stress will be the best way for our health, and because and also it includes proper sleep, diet, exercise, and also say regular checkups. So all of these things are included when it comes to managing stress. We need to do all these things to manage stress. So I think managing stress will be the best solution when it comes to handling our health, to improve our health. So to conclude, I guess that will be the best solution, managing stress. So we'll be ending our discussion here. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you all.
you.